In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset Windows 11 but keep data. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and factory reset, but you don't want to remove any of your data. You just want to clear your apps or things like that because you might be having issues with some things. It's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on whichever Windows 11 device that you have. So all you want to go ahead and do is go to the search on the bottom, and if I type in factory, I'm going to see reset this PC because it detects I'm trying to say factory reset. Go ahead and click on this reset this PC option. It's then going to bring up another window. So this is the window it brings up. It says fix problems with resetting or anything like that. But I want to scroll down to recovery options and it's going to say reset this PC. So what I want to do is press reset PC right here. And then this is the point where it says I can keep my files and remove apps and settings, but keep personal files, or remove all personal files, apps, and settings. So obviously in this instance, all you're going to do is choose keep my files. It's going to be getting things ready, and then you can choose how you want to install your Windows, and then that's it. You can go ahead. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.